Hello, this is iMind. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go over how to fix the improved minor illusion feature for the wizard School of Illusion. So this feature is where you get a second level. When you choose the school at second level, you learn the minor illusion cantrip. If you already know this cantrip, you learn a different wizard cantrip of your choice. Unfortunately, this part um, doesn't work on D&D Beyond at the moment. Currently, if you have a race such as Forest Gnome, Marker Shadow Elf, High Elf, whatever, that has Minor Illusion, this feature is just going to give you a second version instead, as well, rather. Which is not how it's supposed to work. You're supposed to be able to choose a different cantrip. So you could just edit the races, but that means you'd have to do that every time you select the subclass. It's better to just create a different version of the subclass with the fix in place, and then you can choose that fixed version every time you want to make an illusion character. So let's go on and how to do it. So this would be go to collections, create a subclass, open a new tab. And the reason why I want to open a new tab is because when you copy subclasses, it doesn't copy over this bit. So we're going to need to do that. So here we choose wizard, and here we would choose School of Illusion. Create. So at this point, we're gonna add the title something a bit better, like fixed. Now I'm going to be putting version 2 because I've already had to test this before, but obviously you can put whatever you want there. And this is where we would copy this. And don't need to do any of these things here, just save changes. So under class features, open up improve minor illusion, edit. So first off, we're going to want to remove this spell here. So delete. Okay. Now here we want to select has options, and in this box put in 2. This will be at second level. Save changes. And now here we'll create the options. So the first option is here, add an option. Grant minor cantrip. We're just copying these. You might want to put a bit more detail in those, but I'm just doing this for an example. Then under required class level would be 2. Leave the rest all blank. Create option. Let's go down to spells, add a spell. Here we'd put minor illusion. You probably don't need to do this, but I do anyway. Abilities grant intelligence because it's a wizard. Counts as known spell. No. Was prepared. No. Available character level 2. Save. You then save changes. Then cancel. And now we'll go back to add an option. Grant different wizard cantrip. Again, required class level is 2. Leave the rest blank. Create option. You can scroll down to spells, add a spell. And this time we're just going to put in cantrip here and spell class wizard. The rest can be the same, so it'll be intelligence. Again, you probably don't need any of this, but it's better to use it. Normal class level 2. Already prepared, no. Counts as known, no. Save. Save changes. And then we can cancel out of that. Make sure we save the changes again on this time, because always click the orange buttons. Then we can cancel out of that. And then the final save changes. That should be done. So let's test. Always test. Tools, character builder, standard, and doesn't matter. So for race, I'm going to go choose. Oh, you do want to make sure that homebrew content is on, like it is here. I'm going to actually choose forest gnome, because they already get the minor illusion cantrip. I'm going to quickly do the abilities, just because you can't view the character sheet if you don't select abilities. So okay, class, wizard, add class. I'm going to add them to second level. Arcane Edition, fixed. And now it gives us the option of which one to grant. It's alphabetical, so yeah. If you wanted this higher, you could start it with like a 00 and this 01 or something stupid like that. But it's alphabetical order no matter what where you made it. Because we're already forest gnome, we can then choose different wizard cantrip, and it gives us the option of a cantrip to add. So we'll say fireball. So then if we go to our character sheet, we can then see that we have the minor illusion from the natural illusionist and the firebolt from the improved minor illusion feature. And also, if you weren't a race that had minor illusion, you would just choose the grant minor illusion and it would have done the same thing and added that to it. And that's how you do it. That's how you fix it. I hope this helped. Thank you very much.